Alright, this is the reason why I wanted us to write equations, because this is more complicated. So we have complementary or supplementary angles with expressions this time. Remember that complementary angles are two or more angles that add to be 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are two or more angles that add to be 180 degrees. So we're going to set up each equation just like we did yesterday. Again, this is a complementary angle, so both of these angles add to be 90 degrees. So I have 2x and I have an angle of 54 degrees equaling 90 degrees. I want to identify what x is, and I want to identify what the missing angle is. So we have to solve a two-step equation. So I subtract 54 from both sides. That leaves me with 2x equals 36. I divide both sides by 2. And we have x equals 18 degrees. But I also need to identify what the measure of that actual angle is. So that angle says it's 2x. And we know that x is 18 degrees. So we're going to substitute 18 for x, and that gives me 2 times 18, which is 36 degrees. So this angle is 36 degrees. Example 2. This is a straight angle. So both of these should add together to give me 180. So my first angle is 6x plus 2. My second angle, so this is the first angle plus the second angle, 3x plus 8 equals 180 degrees. Now we have to solve our equation. First thing we need to do is combine like terms. 6x and 3x are like terms because they both have x's, which gives me 9x. Then I have positive 2 and positive 8, which is 10, equals 180 degrees. Since that's a positive 10, we'll subtract 10 from both sides. That leaves me with 9x equals 170. Divide both sides by 9, and I have x equals 18.88, and we're going to round that to 18.9. Now we have to we found out what x is. Now we need to find out what each angle is. So my first angle is 6x plus 2. We know that x is 18.9. So we have 6 times 18.9 plus 2. So 18.9 times 6 is 113.4. Bring down plus 2, so that's going to give me 115.4 degrees. Don't forget your degree symbols. The next angle is 3x plus 8. 3 times 18.9 plus 8. That gives me 56.7 plus 8. And I get 64.7 degrees.